Question number 35. Polyploid chromosomes in wheat plants leads to A, no effect, B, death, C, less vitality and weak growth, D, increase its strength and rigidity. Think about it. This is, by the way, not new question, and the answer is D, which is increase its strength and rigidity. The polyploidy means there is more than one, okay, chromosomal set. We have monoploidy, okay, monoploidy, I'm sorry here, such like the sex cells. They are haploid, and they have one chromosomal set. We have diploidy, okay, such like the body cells or somatic cells, okay, they are 2N, such like the skin cell, for example. We have polyploidy, and in the polyploidy, actually, we may have 3N, we may have 4N, we may have, okay, 5N, and even more. Yeah, 3N, such like endosperm that came in one of the plant question, topic number 6, endosperm. Okay, 4N and even more, it's found in many, many cases, but it is, yes, here I will differentiate a little bit. In case of animal, it is very rare. Okay, rare means in earthworm, you're gonna find it. In golden fish, you're gonna find it. Okay, but in human, it is lethal. Yes, but in plants, it's most common. And if so, it's common. It will increase the strength and rigidity. And here is everything about the ploidy.